Good morning, class 11. In the subject mathematics, today we have chapter some special functions continued, because these functions has to be used, as yesterday I also told, in the problems of differentiation and integration. So it is necessary to define them first. So your first function is, you are here defined today as signum function, written as SGNX. So any function of the form fx equal to mod x upon x is called a signum function when x is not equal to 0. It is defined as fx equal to mod x upon x, and it is 0 when x equal to 0. So it is called a signum function, and we can also define it as fx equal to 0 when x is 0. Fx is always equal to positive 1 for all values of x greater than 0, and fx is always equal to minus 1 for all negative values of x. So clearly domain of the function fx is R, as it is defined for every real number x belonging to R, but range, that is images, are only minus 1, 0 and 1, as you see in the definition also. That is, range is the only set of elements containing the set minus 1, 0 and 1. So this is the range of the function signum function fx. And below I have drawn the graph, because graph is also very useful later on. So you clearly see y coordinate is 0 when x is 0, that is function is 0 when x is 0 on the graph, that is origin, and then it starts parallel to a line from 1 unit from origin, but 0, 1 is not counted in the line, as I have shown is a blank dot. Similarly, for negative values, it is a line parallel to x-axis. Again, you can see clearly its graph. And graph is also important, as many things later on you will define with the help of its graph. So graph of signum function. Then identity function, I have next type of new function. A function fx is said to be identity function if fx equal to x. That is clearly y equal to x or fx equal to x defined this way is called identity function, and clearly it is defined for every real value of x, that is domain is R and range is also R. So graph of the function identity function, I have drawn a line passing through origin y equal to x or fx equal to x. So you have to make a note of graph also. These things are very important and used in the later part of your differential calculus. Most probably it is very useful, which you have to use later on. Go through these definitions very clearly, because that time during your differential calculus these functions special will not taught to you. You have to remember everything. So make a note of it and show it to me.